This is your new brother.
Zachary's first day home. Say hi, Zachary. Say hi, Brady. Say hi, Mommy.
Hi.
Oh.
Oh, Brady loves his new friend. Do you love your new brother? He's so cute. Yeah? Yeah? Should we go on the other couch? Sit. Brady, sit. Okay. Might be helpful if you help me to